Good morning, students. We have completed the chapter oscillator. In paper 2 chapter oscillator we have completed in previous lecture. Now we are studying the fifth chapter semiconductor devices. Paper 2 last chapter semiconductor devices. Semiconductor devices. After you are studying the semiconductor theory and basics of diodes and transistors, now let us see some other special devices like Zener Diode, SCR silicon control rectifier, photodiode with their symbols and special features and applications. After studying these semiconductor devices, you know how the semiconductor technology is made useful in different area of electronics industry. Okay. Now we will see the Zener diode. First now we will see the semiconductor diodes. In addition to the rectifier diode, there are other kind of semiconductor diode which are manufactured for special applications. Which are the diodes are? First diode is Zener diode. Second diode is light emitting diode, means LED. Third diode is photodiode. Fourth diode is varactor diode. Fifth diode is Schottky diode. Sixth diode is tunnel diode. Now we will see the structure, symbols and their applications. Now we will see the first Zener diode. In this Zener diode is designed to get. This is Zener diode. In this Zener diode you can see this is symbol of Zener diode. Just like diode is symbol of this. Just a minute. I have made some mistake here. Here anode and cathode. Here we have made this is anode. This is cathode. Okay. Zener diode is designed to get stable voltage and it is operated in reverse bias only. Means we have to operate this Zener diode in reverse bias only. We will operating diodes in forward bias, but Zener diode we have to operate in reverse bias only. By adjusting the doping level, Zener diodes of different voltages from 2 volt to 200 volts and with different wattages, means different powers are manufacturing, different power wattage are manufactured. Okay. Figure shows this operating IV characteristics. Third is, what is IV characteristics? A simple Zener regulator and its symbol. The Zener diode is useful working in reverse bias only. It is operated in reverse bias only. In forward bias is conduct just like it conduct just like diode. जैसे डायोड कंडक्ट होता है वैसे वो फॉरवर्ड बायस में कंडक्ट करना. लेकिन we have to use this diode in reverse bias. Zener diode is in reverse bias. Okay. Means we have to give reverse voltage to this diode. It is therefore very important to know about this reverse characteristics. As shown in figure, a reverse bias voltage is applied across Zener. देखो ये Zener diode का सिंबल है. Zener diode का ये पॉजिटिव वोल्टेज, ये पॉजिटिव निगेटिव है. ये पॉजिटिव वोल्टेज दिया, इसको निगेटिव को, इसके पॉजिटिव को दिया नेगेटिव वोल्टेज. ये रेजिस्टेंस R है, ये करंट लिमिट करने के लिए लगाया हुआ है. जब यहाँ पे अपन जैसे यहाँ पे सप्लाई बढ़ेगा, धीरे धीरे बढ़ेगा, वैसे वैसे ये देखो ये करंट ऑन y axis there is current I is there, on x axis voltage V is there, on x axis voltage V is there. Okay, this voltage V is there. Here you can see reverse bias voltage. Reverse bias voltage. This is the minimum current. This is knee point, and this is Imax maximum point. This knee point is where as voltage negative voltage across this increases, मीन्स नेगेटिव वोल्टेज जैसे जैसे बढ़ेगा तो धीरे धीरे ये कांस्टेंट रहेगा. लेकिन एट सर्टन पॉइंट द Zener diode start conducting मैक्सिमम करंट. दिस कॉल्ड एज नी पॉइंट. दिस नी पॉइंट को यहाँ पे Imax ज्यादा से Imax तक जाएगा. कहाँ तक जाएगा? Imax. वोल्टेज बढ़ेंगे, वोल्टेज एट पर्टिकुलर वोल्टेज करंट इंक्रीजेस टू Imax. करंट Imax तक बढ़ जाएगा. ठीक है. Initially, as voltage across Zener increases, the current to the Zener is very small. And at particular voltage Vz, means knee voltage Vz, Zener diode goes into breakdown. वो breakdown में चला जाएगा. At this voltage, current to the Zener suddenly increases, but the voltage across it remains constant. उसका करंट बढ़ेगा और वोल्टेज सेम रहेगा, कांस्टेंट रहेगा वोल्टेज. For further increase in voltage, current. For further increase in voltage, Zener keeps voltage across it constant. अगर वोल्टेज बढ़ भी गया, अगर इनपुट वोल्टेज बढ़ भी गया तो भी if for further increase in voltage, Zener keeps his voltage across it constant. वोल्टेज Zener diode के across का कांस्टेंट रखेंगे. अगर वोल्टेज भी बढ़ा इनपुट वोल्टेज तो भी उसका across का जो वोल्टेज वो कांस्टेंट रहेगा. इसकी खासियत है. For further increase, okay, it draws no more current through itself, and it draws very much current through itself. Below, it draws more current to itself. Below Iz mean current, Zener is not operated. Okay, means below Iz mean it is not operated, and above Iz max it will get damaged. इस Iz मीन को वो कंडक्ट नहीं होता और Iz मैक्स को वो डैमेज होने की संभावना है. Iz मैक्स से ज्यादा करंट होगा तो. ठीक है. Now we will see the avalanche and Zener effect.